Hello.
Hello. We is off on a trip.
We are.
A meetup. Arranged by Ash Pollard.
Yep.
And should be like 30 or 40 people apparently coming.
Should be good.
And we're currently trying to avoid all the snarl-ups on the M6 by going on the back roads.
It's literally a red or burgundy line on Google Maps. When you look at it, it's just...
But it looks like everybody else is trying to do the same thing.
Yeah.
So it's going to be a long way. The sun's shining.
Sun's shining.
We're not really in a rush.
No.
So it's all good.
So it's good.
So yeah, lots of things to do this weekend. Lots of people to meet and stuff.
Yep.
What did you say before? Friends we've not met yet.
Friends we've not met yet. Yeah.
We're going then.
And lots of wood to burn.
Yeah, all the old campervan wood.
Gotta get rid of it somehow.
Hand it out to everyone.
So yeah.
Oh, that'll look odd.
What, are you going like that?
Yeah.
Hello. Sorry, I'm getting used to new tech.
We switched cameras and Mandy's not understanding there's still a lens there.
What? Hang on. Where's it gone? I don't know. Oh dear. Oh, what are you going to do with me? I tell you.
In a couple of years you'll have learnt it.
Then just in time for you to change it again.
Oh yeah, no doubt.
Yeah. So after this morning, I can't wait to the point where I don't have to pack the van up every time we want to go somewhere. So it's just everything and all the. I mean, it kept the step count up wonderfully, I must admit. But yeah, it's going to be nice just to need to pop to the supermarket and maybe make sure that the toilet's empty and we've got enough water and simple things that we'll have to do anyway. So yeah, buzzing.
Oh yeah.
Onwards.
Onwards, an easier life. Hopefully less traffic.
Yeah, they've lost it.
Yeah, they've all got a different way.
Hello, Lily. Lily,
How
are you buddy?
you doing?
Did you get lost?
No, we came down without touching the motorway because all the motorways are snarled up.
Are they? Oh,
Yeah,
So it's taken us hours.
it's literally a big burgundy line all the way down on Google Maps. So we thought, no. So are we over there?
Obviously the first thing we all do when we seem to get together is get out all our new camera gear and gadgets and everything else. I don't know if it's not one-upmanship, it's almost like people just want to go, Gadget John, look what I've got, you'll like this. So yeah, the first thing we did was everyone started getting all the camera rigs out. Who's got the biggest and the best camera rig, and that's continued for most of the day really. As I've already said, we brought down an absolute ton, almost 40 kilos of wood that was left over of me doing the refit of the van. So wasted wood in the back of the van, and that's what we burnt on the fire. Added to that, because of the special occasion that was the buyer pulling out of the sale, we had brought the contract for the house sale, which Mevy was due to witness our signatures. After all, it was his words of, if you're thinking about doing it, you should just do it, that kind of like made us think about van life. So what started this fire that you're watching now was the contract of our house sale that obviously is now null and void. Well, it's now burnt anyway, and the wood that's burning is the useless wood out of the van. So a useless contract and a useless wood make for a brilliant campfire. So we're at Ash Pollard's meetup this weekend, and great turnout so far. Saturday morning, we've all had the usual spend the night chatting around the campfire. Pretty good. Had the drones out obviously, because I mean, why wouldn't you? And everyone's talking camera gear, drones, everything's going on. So yeah, it's a good weekend. So we're going to have a wander around. Darren's here as well.
Hey.
And we're going to have a wander around and check out some vans and maybe some gadgets and other stuff too. See what's going on.
We need to increase the shopping basket, don't we?
Yeah.
There's plenty of things that we need to buy.
Yeah, Darren's been trying to get me to buy things already.
You're trying to get me to buy things.
Yeah. Yeah, there's an update of the vlog. About 10 minutes away from arriving here yesterday, we had a call from our solicitors and the house buyers pulled out of the sale. So the house is now back up for sale and we start from scratch. And yeah, the sad thing is we're living in a house with hardly anything in it now. No TV, no lights. We've got a sofa, but that's about it. But yeah, such is life. Anyway, it's gone off. We've got vans and dogs. We've got dogs. Hello. We've got Cooper.
Hello.
What's up?
Hiya, buddy. Did we find some springers? Hiya, Lance. Hiya, bud. How you doing? Hiya. Did you sleep all right then? I slept the sleep of a drunk person. Yes, it was wonderful. There's only so many beers that help you get to sleep.
Hi.
Hi, Purdy. What are we doing today then?
Today, Kirsty and Purdy are making me work.
Oh.
I mean, like,
You love it. You love tinkering.
trying to get a laptop working again. Or worst case scenario, taking the laptop drive out to get the data.
Smashing. Because we are missing the lack of videos from you guys at the minute. We do miss them. So.
No, it's been a bit devastating that we haven't been able to do anything.
Yeah, I bet. See, so you're literally saving the internet.
Saving the internet.
They're getting Kirsty and Purdy back on to be able to do proper videos. With an audience. Are you watching? Are you making sure it's all going okay? No, don't point that camera at me, mummy. That's the first cook on the go. So we've got Big Mac in a bowl with pasta, hopefully. So let's just get into temperature now. Got a doggy waiting, see what's going on. And laptop's being fixed and things being cooked. And hopefully this will be ready in 2 minutes after it's got to pressure, so let's see how it goes.
Just going to see how it works, how the sound is. Is this good picture? What's the camera?
Kaylin, can you say hi, guys?
Okay, I'll start. My name's David and I'm an alcoholic.
You're not going to say it? We all know that one.
My name's John, I'm addicted to gadgets. I told you to do it! Told you! So as the night got darker, we were around the fire. I decided that we'd get the projector out and treat Ash to some of his own videos, from the early videos to more or less up-to-date videos when he's picked up Leon. So that's what we all did, and it was really good. Everyone sat around the fire watching the video, commenting on what they'd seen, and you could just get the raw emotion from everybody as some experienced it for the first time, and others like Ash, you know, kind of reliving the experience with the videos projected on the side of a massive white Iveco. So we had a fab weekend.
We did.
Didn't really record anything. Couple of reasons really, I guess. That's just had a fab weekend.
We're too busy enjoying ourselves.
Too busy enjoying ourselves. And the second one really is the fact that about 10 minutes before we arrived, we had a phone call on Friday from our solicitor about the house sale to say the buyers had pulled out. So that kind of like really put a downer on what we expected, and then because everyone was being so nice over the weekend, we just had such a brilliant time that it's just felt not like a camera kind of event, not a place to walk around with a camera talking to people, but just a time to enjoy chatting to people, hearing people's stories, all that kind of stuff really.
People noticed us.
Yeah.
And we're asking, how's the house sale going?
Yeah.
And we're just like, you would never believe what's just happened.
Yeah.
And everyone was just so positive.
Yeah.
We'd have probably spent the weekend rolling because it is bad news. No one likes bad news. But everybody was so lovely and positive, and it was the perfect place for us to be right now. It really was.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, brilliant weekend.
So thanks Ash for organising a great weekend. Thank you.
5 miles,
Oh.
keep left toward M5 North.
There you go. And thank you to everybody we met. It was great to see you, and for lifting our spirits and making us feel welcome, and yeah, just letting us see that it isn't doom and gloom. There'll be another buyer out there for the house. And even Greg and Lou, who had organised setting off on this journey with in October and everything, they're saying don't worry, you know, we get a chance to do it again, or join us on a different step of it, or you know, maybe they don't need to set off in October and that, so who knows.
We'll still get to do it.
Yeah, we'll still get to do it.
Basically, we'll still get to do it with them, and that's lovely.
Yeah. So there you go. Just amazing what van life community is all about, and how the people are so nice, and just drives you that much more to see it through.
Yeah.
And not give up on it and all that kind of stuff.
Absolutely.
So I'm sorry if this is a bit of a short vlog or anything like that. Obviously we did film a little bit. We had fun with playing with drones. I tried a new little toy, a new little projector out. I'll do a video on that soon. So we've got someone's van lined up, white van, and everybody sat around a fire watching Ash's video all night. And that was brilliant as well, to be there with other people and hear other people's reactions to what they remembered when they watched that video, or
And interactions.
Yeah.
And Mickey taking.
Yeah.
And all the things. Just a good natured ribbon.
Yeah.
It was so good.
it was good. And yeah, like I say, playing around with drones. It was great seeing Mevy out in his van again.
Oh, yeah.
And no doubt he'll have a video out soon about his story of what's going on with his van and everything like that. And yeah, in about 2 weeks time we've got the Boondockers Bash as well. So obviously for you guys it might all be out of sequence, because by the time I get to edit this video we might have even been to the Boondockers, but you understand, don't you? You get it. So yeah. So thanks for coming along this journey with us, and we'll let you know what happens with the house again. And thanks for all your kind messages and everything else, and we'll catch you on the next one. Okay.
Say bye.
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 Bye.